Hello guys, welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today, I'm going to show you how to generate a blog post outline from a topic using ChatGPT. Let's get right into it. Creating a clear and organized blog post outline helps you write faster and keeps your content focused. With ChatGPT, you can easily generate outlines by providing your topic and any specific point you want to cover. For example, you might say, create a detailed blog post outline for the topic. Benefits of remote work, including sections on productivity, work-life balance, and challenges. ChatGPT will produce a structured outline breaking your topic into introduction, main points, sub-points, and conclusion. This saves you time by brainstorming and ensures your post flows logically. After receiving the outline, review it and adjust sections to fit your writing style or add any extra ideas you have. Using a solid outline also helps you stay consistent with SEO by organizing keywords naturally throughout your post. You can even ask ChatGPT to suggest keywords related to your topic to include in the outline. And that's it guys, now you have learned how to quickly create effective blog post outlines using ChatGPT. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.